Lynda Trang. Go, go, go. Birthday boy. Go, 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 go. Wait, Uncle gotta get birthday boy. Birthday boy here.
Thank you, Lynda. Thank you for coming again.
Cheers.
Okay, we'll be back.
Welcome to the We love Lynda. Look, we love Lynda. We love Lynda. We love Lynda. What do you say?
Lynda, get on stage. It's all yours.
Record it. You go enjoy. Say, Lynda. Lynda. Hey.
All right, you guys,
Lynda.
time to look for a
Okay.
special request song.
Lynda, come up here.
Who's aware of the new wave era? That was our group. Back in the 80s, growing up to her music, where all the ladies have spiky, long bangs that spike up all the way to the sky. Do you guys remember that? That is the 80s. Those are the best time of our lives growing up. I was a little teenager, but I enjoyed those new wave era and loved her song. Grew up with her song, so she's gonna really perform to us tonight. We are so lucky. She is here to celebrate Carl's 50th birthday. Give it a big hand to Lynda Trang. Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here tonight. I am so blessed to be here. I hope everyone is having a wonderful time. Thank you so much again for having me here, and all the best. Happy birthday to all the maids, and happy birthday to Cal. Thank you again so much. It's always so wonderful to see everyone. Should I say, Reading, Sacramento, I love you. Thank you so much. All right, so now the next song I want to dedicate to sing to everybody. Are you guys ready? I just keep thinking you'll be there. Louder. Yes, it's crazy to think I love you. Sing it out. To think I love you. What? Supermarket mama friend. You are my supermarket lover friend. Supermarket lover friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. You've got to learn to love you. Everybody shake it on! Come on, let's party! You gotta shake your body. Hey, 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 hey. You're my love, you're my life. Every day, every night. Is it right? What I feel, how I wish you were real. You're my love, you're my life. Every day, every night. In my dreams, I'm with you. Will you make my dreams come true? You're my love, you're my life. You are my life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Now, I want to dedicate this next song to the birthday boy, Cal. Want to sing this song to Cal and his wife. Please have your wife
Go.
come out
Go.
to the dance floor. So crazy. All right.
Birthday boy, man, right there.
All right. This song is especially dedicated to Cal and his wife. Happy birthday. Come on, everybody. A big hand for Cal. This is a request for Cal. I want to dedicate it to you. I can't let go. Can't let go. Thank you. Only you know what I miss. Can't you see you're just what I need? After all that we've been through, after all I've done for you, you're just in the words for you. Am I asking for too much? Am I waiting for too long? All I need is your tender touch. Don't you know I'm on my knees? Don't you know I'm begging please? Don't you take me because you're mine? I know how hard I try, can't get you off my mind. I just cannot let you to have you back here again. I can't let go, can't let you go. I love you, don't you know? All my love goes so slow. I can't go on without you. I can't go on without you. Come on. Thank you, Cal. I love you guys. I love you. Happy. Only you know what I miss. Can't you see you're just what I need? After all that we have done, after all I've done for you, you should know my love was for you. Am I asking for too much? Am I waiting for too long? All I need is your tender touch. Don't you know I'm on my knees? Don't you know I'm begging please? Won't you take a look at me now? No matter how hard I try, can't
get you off my mind. I just don't know what to do to have you back here again. I can't let go, can't let you go. I'm hurting, don't you know? I'm hurting, don't you know? I can't go on without you. I can't go on without you. Don't you see? Lord, I try, can't get you off my mind. I just don't know what to do to have you back here again. I can't let go, can't let you go. I'm hurting, don't you know? All my love goes to show. I can't go on without you. I can't go on without you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Dedicated to both of you. I can't go on without you. Thank you so much once again. I love you. Sacramento, Reading. Thank you. All right, we're gonna take a quick break. So don't go away. The Nat is still young. So everybody stay where you are, and I will be right back after the short break. Thank you so much.